Here's a step-by-step guide on attaching your MoTow Double e-bike carrier to your vehicle and attaching your e-bikes to your carrier. The only tool you'll need is a 3/8 drive ratchet with a 9/16 and a 3/4 socket. Insert the base frame into the hitch, then insert your hitch pin and lock it on the other side. If your unit came with the additional hitch stabilizer, attach it by wrapping the bar over the top and securing it at the bottom with 2 nuts. The plate holds snugly to your vehicle and provides more stability. Once the base frame is secure, you'll attach the first of the bike support arms. Insert the lock pin and snap the wire over the end of the pin on the opposite side. Repeat this process for the other bike support arm. Pictured here is a unit with 4 tire support arms for different wheel diameters. Okay, now let's move on to the next phase, attaching your bikes to the bike carrier. Make sure the foot pedals are vertical and the chain is facing in towards your vehicle. Then, lift the front wheel of your bike onto the front wheel cradle. You may need to line your wheel up to the widest spoke opening so it loads easily into the cradle. Then lift the back wheel onto the opposite front wheel cradle. Next, go back to the front wheel and move it to the back wheel cradle, and then do the same for the back wheel. The wheel cradles can support tires of many sizes, and the e-bike carrier can support up to 200 pounds. Slide the top adjustable tire support up to the wheel and wrap it tightly around the wheel, securing it to the tire support. Once it's in place, turn the black knob clockwise to tighten it. Make sure that the brackets are flat against the tube as you tighten. These keep the tires from moving. Shown here are 2 tire supports because these bikes have the same diameter wheels. If your bikes have different diameter wheels, you'll have 4 tire supports. And repeat this process for the back wheel. Now, on to attaching our second bike. Make sure it's facing the opposite direction of the first bike, with the foot pedals vertical and the chain facing out away from your vehicle. From there, you simply repeat the same process as the first bike. Place the wheels in the wheel cradles and use the lower adjustable tire strap to secure the wheels to the toe. If your chain touches the tire support, lift the chain with a tie wrap or a strap. And that's it. You're ready to take your bikes anywhere. When you're not using your bike carrier, you can easily remove the 2 support arms and place them in your cargo bed. Then, you can remove the hitch pin from the arm holder and lift it up. Then place the pin in the bottom hole to hold it in place. If you have questions, reach out to us at contact@motowus.com.